Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2003 Porsche 911 Turbo. This is finished in an Arctic silver metallic. This is also optioned with the chrome aluminum package, so chrome exhaust tips. Also optioned with the famous X50 package. So it has an upgraded turbos, intercoolers from the factory for additional power. This is making 450 wheel horsepower and 457 foot-pounds of torque. This is going to be the perfect driver car for somebody that's looking to get a 996 twin. As you may know, the market has gone increasingly crazy over some of these cars. The first of the water-cooled cars. And this one having a little over 106,000 miles. This is going to be a car that you can take out daily if you want to and enjoy, instead of leaving in a garage to collect dust. Power sunroof, and as you can see, all the wheels are in great shape. Notice up on the front bumper there is some road rash from normal debris. And right here on the driver mirror, you will notice some fading there of the paint in the clear coat. The rest of the car is pretty sound. The famous cracks in the back tail lights, just from stress, does not cause a problem for the actual tail light housings, but that is a common issue on some of these older 911s. And to the inside, you've got a graphite gray full leather interior. Aluminum turbo door sill, power adjustable driver's seat, headrests with the embossed Porsche Crest, you have Bose audio, heated front seats. Have a 5-speed automatic Tiptronic transmission, and you do have the gear selectors there for the Tiptronic transmission on the steering wheel. Let's see if I can get you current mileage. Current mileage 106,325. So again, perfect driver car for someone that's looking to actually take this out, enjoy, not worried about putting a bunch of miles on it. It's quick and it's going to be a blast. Folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.